Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to fix all 5G network problems. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Tap on general management. Go down. Tap on reset. Go down. Tap on reset mobile network settings. Tap here. Tap on this reset settings button. Enter screen lock password. Tap on this reset button. See the message network settings reset. Done. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the mobile network settings. That's all. After this reset operation, you can check 5G. 5G should work. This is a method 1. If method 1 is not working, then we can go and try method 2. Method 2. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Tap on connections. Then go to mobile networks. Tap on network mode. Here we should select this first option, 5G auto connect. Select it. Then tap on network operators. Here we should enable this option, select automatically. Go back. If you want, you can enable voice over 5G. If you are outside home network, enable data roaming. Tap here and enable data roaming. Go back. Tap on data usage. We should enable mobile data here. Done. After this, you can check 5G. 5G should work. This is a method 2. So these are the two methods. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.